Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, August the 23rd, 2022. We have here 4 puzzles that I need to solve for today. 2 of them I've already solved. The 3 stars, well, seems that this one is a 4 stars, and this one is not a 4 stars but a 2 stars. So wrong indications. And 2 puzzles are left: the tectonic and the binary. Yes, binary time, people. Binary time number. This will be number 5060. 5060. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Well, here we have 3 ones. I cannot place the 1 here or there, otherwise we have 3 O's in this column. So those 2 boxes will be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there between. Oh, no. Let me explain again. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box will be an O. Okay. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Overlooked. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O. Of course, between an O comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Need to compare now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, let me see. I cannot compare the rows, so I need to compare the columns. 1001. No, so this 0101. Do we have 0101 here? 0101. Okay. Huh? Look. Almost the same. 0011. 0011. Empty box. 00. Empty box. 11. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Yes! Only 1 time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Sugu in Japanese, cyber block in Dutch. Until then, bye bye for now.